Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this session, we will see Mastering Control series with the 5 most common server controls: label, text box, button, link button, and image button with examples. In ASP.NET, server controls are the building blocks of every web page. They work on the server side, handle events like clicks or text changes, and render standard HTML for the browser. The label control is simple but essential. It is used to display text, instructions, or dynamic output from code behind. You can change its text property in C# or VB to show feedback or results. Here is how we set or change the label text from the server side. It is perfect for showing validation messages or confirmation notes to users. The text box is where the user interacts with your application. You can collect names, passwords, or any other text input easily. You can access the text entered by the user using the text property. This example greets the user with the name they typed in the text box. Buttons perform actions. When you click them, they trigger an event on the server. That's how form submission and data processing usually start. This code runs when the button is clicked. You can display a message, store data, or redirect users from here. The link button looks like a hyperlink but behaves like a button. It is great for actions such as view details or edit record in a grid view. Image button adds visual appeal to your form. When clicked, it behaves like a button but displays an image. You can even capture click coordinates if needed. Use labels to show messages, text boxes to collect inputs, and buttons to trigger actions. Link buttons and image buttons enhance navigation and style. Beginners often forget to set run at server, which breaks the control. Always double check IDs and event handler names. Today, we covered 5 fundamental controls. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the next part of this ASP.NET series. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and building great ASP.NET applications with ASP NET and SQL Academy.